Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you are on a plane, a train or the subway. No Wi-Fi, no cellular data. You want to catch up on your reading, but your Feedly app just shows a spinning wheel and maybe a near message. Well, the honest truth is, Feedly's native mobile app does not have any robust offline caching. So according to many reviews, Feedly would not store content on your device. So if you happen to go offline, there is no way of using the app to view items that you have already read. But more recent community discussions confirm the limitation persists. But don't worry, there are always some workarounds, because in today's small tutorial I'm going to show you 2 ways to read Feedly articles offline using integrations and using some third-party tools. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, go through the integrations and look if you can access Pocket from here. As you see here, you also have Instapaper, you have Evernote, connect Feedly to your Evernote account and easily save the most useful articles you discover in Feedly in your Evernote notebook. So that's a good idea. Why don't you connect your Feedly account to Evernote and keep saving whatever you want to read for later into this account? It would even be good if you have an iPad or if you have an Android tablet. I think it's a good idea. So that's all. So thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.